G'day guys, welcome back. I'm going to pour over this canvas. This was a cloud pour that just went, oops, absolutely crazy. I just knocked my paint over. Now, you know how it's really hard to get satin enamels at the moment, the Decoart one? I thought I would try this. I've had this little can for a couple of years. Haven't really used it. It's by Splashes. Now, this is from Bunnings. If you're in Australia, Bunnings. Water-based enamel gloss white. So I'm just wondering, like it's really thin, I'm just wondering if it'll work. I've got these leftover paints from my previous cloud pour, and I just had to make up some of the Payne's grey. Oh, let me shut the door. Ziggy's barking at something. She wants to come in. Lucy, come in. You stay in here, baby. There we go. All right. So I'm going to try. I've made up my white. This has got, and again, Australian products, Montmartre. You can also get this overseas, but it's got Floetrol, water, a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium. It's got the Montmartre, 2 parts Montmartre to one part of the white Splashes. Okay, now I'm not going to go through everything too much just because it might not work. Just sort of experimenting. I'll get my old gloves on that I used this morning. And yeah, we'll just have a go, see if it works. Hey, nothing ventured, nothing gained, as they say. Alrighty, so let's pour this out first. It's really thin. There's a bit of a blob went in there. No mound. It just kind of drops in, makes a little dent as the paint drops in. There's a few little lumpy bits. All right, here we go. Let's just try this. Hopefully my consistency's okay. Not too thin. Still learning, practicing. Oh my God, look at all the lumps. Lumpy bits. It's probably a good idea to put a little bit of your pouring medium in and then add your paint so that you can mix it. I don't know if that's paint though or what that is. I think we're going to need more. Here we go. Let's just pour it all on, hey? Why not? It's not like I can use it again for anything else. If it's only got a little tiny bit left. That was 150 grams of the pouring medium. It was 60 grams of the Montmartre white and 30 grams of the Splash. Just going to get that off to the sides there so I don't lose too much. Okay, now we're just going to even it all up. Again, don't want to lose too much. I'm not even going to worry about the lumps too much because I don't even know if this is going to work. So yeah, I won't worry about lumps too much. Okay, here we go. I'm going to just do, let's do, oh, because it's a square, let's just do a puddle pour, hey? Why not? For me, what I have found, the colours that work the best are the opaque colours. You can see it sort of feathering, I guess, along the outside there. The non-opaque colours don't seem to do that. All right, so let's give that a go, hey? This turquoise is taken over. I'm going to put a little bit more of my Payne's grey on there. It's heavy, you see, it's sunk. You can see what it's doing. You can see what these colours are doing. So from that, you can see the turquoise doesn't look as if it's an opaque, and that's not. Anyway, let's go. All right, we're going to go, it's going to go to each sort of corner and just move the paint a little bit, and then I'll go over. Probably put way too much paint on this actually because you need to get most of it off. The whole idea is getting most of the colour off. And really stretching it out, otherwise it just won't work. If you've left too much paint on the surface, it will not work. We didn't need to put so much on. All right, let's have a little look. Go back to the center. Hopefully I've got enough off. And I just wipe my drippy hands. And let's give this a torch. So we've got some white, cloudy, pearly things happening over here on the side. Let's give it a torch and see if we can get anything else to come up, hey? I think I probably put too much colour on. I always do that. I get carried away with all this colour in the centre. And then I have to tip most of it off. Looks like we're getting turquoise pearls, or cells, whatever you want to call them. See, again, I put too much colour on, so it's still too much in the centre. But look, I won't judge just yet. We're getting some white around there. I'm going to put you on pause for, say, 15-20 minutes or so. And then I'll come back. Let's get my gloves off. I'll go and feed the dogs. I'll come back and we'll see if it's done anything, hey? Woohoo! Look at that! It works! Yay! How exciting! Look at those little cloudy pearls. Wow. And look at that blue around the center. This. I'm not even going to put any paint through it because I love it just the way it is. I really do. Little bit of turquoise and the brown poking through there. I really like it. I am super impressed. Let's have a little look, hey? The pearls are really nice too. Sometimes they can like break. Some mixes your pearls kind of sort of spread too much and they break, but these are really quite nice. You can see the blue around them, the lighter blue around them. And the pearls have kind of, if you look at the edge of the pearls, they've picked up the Payne's grey, which has dropped. So the Payne's grey being heavy and opaque, it drops around the lightweight of the white and the satin enamels. Makes the pearls. So you do need your opaques. You really do. Look at this. I am in love with this. Look at that. Look at the reactions we're getting. And I'm so glad we've got that dark center there. Look at that. It's just amazing. Got different coloured pearls, cells. I don't know what they are, but they're really pretty. I'm so impressed. So this is it here. Splashes. This is the gloss. Might have to go and get a big tin, hey? Rush down to Bunnings before it sells out, now that we know that it makes pearls. And yeah, I just used the Montmartre, but I'm assuming any white will do. It's the enamels that you need to make your cells. And of course the Floetrol. The Floetrol helps. You know, it's an natural conditioner. It's got oils in it. It's for adding to spray paint cans, like when you're spray painting a house or something like that, to stop it from clogging up. So it's a natural conditioner. It's got oils in it, makes gorgeous cells. So there we go. What do you think? I'm in love with it. I'm so glad it worked. Let me know what you think. Go out, if you're in Australia, head down to Bunnings tomorrow, grab some splashes. I'd love to see what you do with it. I might even try the, it comes in black as well, enamel, so I wonder what that would look like. Black pearls. I have got a can, I'll give it a go. All right, I'm gonna go and cook my dinner. It's getting late. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hope this has helped some of you that can't get the Decoart satin enamels. And I'll see you real soon for another video. Love it. So excited, so happy it worked. See you all later. Bye for now.